Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Prabha. Today we're making a corn recipe, which is a simple snack with some corn, chili, lime, mayo and cheese. For that you need boiling water, add salt in it. Now put your corn and boil it for 5 minutes. Corn cooks really fast, so you need to occasionally keep on flipping your corn so that you cook it from all the sides. Once our corn is boiled, we're gonna keep it aside for a minute. So first step is brush the corn with some butter. Make sure that you brush it all over the corn and don't miss a spot. Now we're gonna put our main seasoning, which is lemon juice, salt and black pepper powder. Mix it in a bowl and then with the help of a brush it all over the corn. Now we're gonna brush some mayonnaise. Put a lot, don't be shy, trust the process. Mayonnaise is gonna taste so good with this seasoning on the boiled corn. Now we're gonna sprinkle some red chili powder. You can sprinkle it according to your taste. Now roll the corn over cheese. Take any cheese of your choice. Once done, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves all over your corn. Again, we're gonna sprinkle some red chili powder for that extra spice. And it's done. Serve it right away with some lemon wedges and eat it when it's warm. It's simple, quick and delicious recipe to try. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps and I'll catch you guys later. Until next time.